Hey everyone, welcome to my video where I will reveal a secret Temu method that will give you 100 bucks in your balance every time you use it. Let me show you proof that this works. Look at my balance, I already have 200 bucks and I can do this over and over again. Every time I do this, I get 100 bucks more in my balance. You can use this balance to buy anything you want on Temu, or even withdraw this money to your bank account. This is an amazing opportunity that you don't want to miss. Watch this video till the end and I will show you how to do this Temu glitch step by step. So if you are ready to get some money, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser. In my case, it will be Safari. Then go to this website called lucidcoupons.com. This website has tons of amazing coupons for different apps and websites, and they are all legit and working. But today, we are only interested in the Temu coupon. So just find it on this website and click on See More. Here, you will see the coupon details. As you can see, there are 3 awesome coupons here. 100 bucks off for existing customers, 100% off coupon, and the one we want, 100 bucks credit balance. To get the coupon, click on Show Coupon button, but you will notice that the code is locked. Don't worry, we can unlock it in no time. Just follow the instructions to unlock the code, and it will take you to unlocking page. Here, it says that we need to complete 2 or 3 simple offers. And there is also a video tutorial on this page if you need help. The unlocking process is very easy and fast. It will take you less than 15 minutes depending on where you are from. When I click on one of the offers here, it takes me straight to the App Store, so everything is safe and secure. I don't want to make this video too long, so I will pause it here and come back to you when I'm done with the unlocking process. Alright guys, I'm back. After you finish the unlocking process, just go back to the Lucid Coupons website and refresh the page. Then click on Show Coupon again and you will see that the code is unlocked now. Look at that, it worked like a charm for me. Now all you have to do is copy the code and go to the Temu app and paste it there. That's all for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please smash that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing coupons like this one. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might want to get free stuff on Temu. Thanks for watching and see you next time.